Happy Friday, everybody. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip, hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. So yours truly is off work. The weather today is reflecting how I feel, basically. I am down in the weather, down in the dumps. I don't feel good. My head's plugged up, my chest hurts. I get coughing spells. So yes, I am not feeling well, folks. Called into work this morning. I'm gonna stay one more night at the Motel 6, maybe tomorrow night too. It all depends on how I feel. So that means, yes, I'm not going to my mom's this weekend. I had some family members coming down. My dad's brother and sister, my aunt and uncle are coming up to go see my mom and my brother and all my family for the weekend. I'm looking forward to seeing them. But I am not feeling good, folks. Super duper not feeling good. So anywho, I'm on my way to the bank. I gotta stop by the bank. I gotta drop my check off at the bank and all that jazz. So without further ado, let's get this Friday started. Alrighty, my friends, so Mr. Ranger Dog and I are just hanging out. We're gonna stay another night here, the wonderful Motel 6. Just been one of those days where it's been raining. It definitely reflects on how I feel. My chest is just not doing good, congested. It's not doing good, but it is what it is. I am grateful to have this motel room. I'm grateful to have a job. I'm just, I'm grateful for every moment of the day. Anywho, folks, just thought I'd check in with you wonderful, wonderful people. Ooh, my friend Misty, she brought me some soup, some egg drop soup, some Gatorade, some noodle soup, and some vitamin C. Yeah, thank you, Misty. Thank you so very, very much. What do you think, Mr. Boo Boos? So what I've been doing all day, just watching some Ancient Aliens, recuperating. Alrighty, my friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I'm going to call it a day. It's just been a day of watching Ancient Aliens on the History Channel. Relaxing. I got some really groovy soup from my friend Misty. Thank you so much. That was so scrumdiddlyumptious. It was. It really, really was. So, until I see wonderful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk, I don't know when it will be, but I will have some coffee. Be kind to one another. Love one another. Be grateful for every single moment of the day. Hey, check this out, folks. It's officially sweatpant weather here in my neck of the woods. I'm all in my comfies for the night. All right, my friends. Peace, love, and Volkswagen grease.